Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. A couple of months back, I reviewed this Fab 5 5-in-1 lipstick by Rennie Cosmetics, and towards the end of the video, I said that I really wish that this particular lipstick have more color options. Now the brand Rennie Cosmetics has another color option in this Fab 5 5-in-1 lipstick, and it is in the shade nude. So this is exactly same like this, but it has a more neutral color options. So in today's video, I would be swatching all the 5 shades that comes in this particular new launch from Rennie Cosmetics. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing I would like to mention in this video is what do I have on my lips. It is not any of the 5 colors that are available in the lipstick. It is actually this particular MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Topped with Brandy, and it might not be a shade for everyone, but I particularly love the vampiness of this look. Now keeping that aside, let's start talking about the lipstick that we would be swatching in this video. So this is how the packaging looks like. Those of you who have seen my previous video already knows what is the concept of this lipstick and how the packaging looks like. For those of you who haven't seen that video, I would be linking that video in the description box down below and even on the I button somewhere on the screen. I would again just quickly talk about the packaging and the concept of this lipstick before getting into the lip swatches of all the 5 shades that are available in the pencil. So this is how the outer box of the pencil looks like. It was actually covered in a plastic wrap which I removed before starting this video. The details about this product, the description and everything is actually mentioned on this particular outer box. Now if you open the outer box, this is how the lipstick looks like. Even this is wrapped in a plastic pack which I'm going to remove right now. This is how the actual lipstick looks like. Now as you can see, the lipstick have 5 different color options, and I would be swatching each one of them on the back of my hand as well as on my lips. Talking about the concept of this lipstick, it is very easy to use and it is very travel friendly because all you have to carry is this one single pencil and you already are carrying 5 different shades of lipstick. So I'll just quickly show you how this works. So this is basically the lid of the lipstick which you have to remove before getting into the lipstick, and this is how the little bullet looks like. So all you have to do is just pop the little bullet section which actually have the mini lipstick and place it at the base and push it again to get the new color. Now the packaging of this particular one and the one that I previously have is slightly different. I'll try to quickly show you that. So these are both the lipsticks in my hand and the packaging of both these is slightly different. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it on the camera or not, but I'll try and show it to you. So this particular one has the color completely exposed without any backing, whereas in the new one, this particular one does have a little backing section here and the color is not actually completely exposed. So this is actually a little difficult to use. You have to push a little longer to get the actual bullet in the usable condition. I'm not sure whether I should be happy about this difference in the packaging or not, but this is how it is and this is how this pencil, the concept works. So now before talking more about the pencil, let's get into the lip swatches. Welcome back. I have changed my lipstick again. I have reapplied Topped with Brandy shade from MAC because I wasn't actually personally liking the last peach that I had on my lips. Saying that, I would say that the color selection, like all the 5 shades in this nude 5-in-1 lipstick are pretty, but some of them did not suit me well. I'm not actually a fan of the first shade that I applied, and even the last shade, the peachy one that I applied. But if you talk about the color selection, this particular 5-in-1 lipstick have like pinky nudes, peachy nudes, and the nudes of other different color families. So yes, overall the color selection is good. If I talk about the pigmentation, as you have seen, all the 5 colors are very nicely pigmented. They are non-streaky and they're actually very comfortable in application. They glide very nicely. They do not feel very dry on the lips. But because it is not a liquid lipstick, they are not transfer proof, and hence you would have to reapply them during the course of the day. But because they are pretty easy to carry, reapplication should not be an issue. Overall, for me, if you ask me, I would say that I liked the previous one that I swatched better, and that is mainly because I like bright colors more than neutral colors. But if you are someone who is into neutral colors and like soft shades, then this might be a good option for you. These are actually both the color options that are available in these 5-in-1 lipsticks. So if you are a bright color person, then you should go for this one. But if you are a neutral soft color person, then the new one is a very good option for you. Retail price of these 5-in-1 lipsticks is 750 rupees, but I bought it on a 25% discount, and they are actually easily available on a 25% discount. So travel wise, it is a very good option. Affordability wise, it is a very good option, and even the color range you get in both the pencils is also pretty nice. I personally also like the concept of these lipsticks. If you know about any other brand who make such products which are very travel friendly and have a different concept, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to try new brands and new formulas in makeup. Also, if you like today's video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.